And this is a video for all you turkey enthusiasts out there, turkey hunting. These turkeys right now, it's end of November. They're running from one pine tree to another. And you can see they have just kicked this pine straw up looking for every bug they can find. And there's probably 150 turkeys when they group up in this half-mile area, and they are just running from one tree to another, kicking up this pine straw, getting bugs, which is okay with me. I'm not a big turkey enthusiast. They don't hurt anything. I'm just not crazy about them. But look at this. They have just, even on this one, most everyone you go to has been kicked up and pecked up. And I imagine within a month or so, everything they can find will be kicked up. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Over and out.